guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I last filmed a Get Ready With Me, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. So let's get started. I'll be using Erborian Pink Perfect Cream to blur my pores and like my blemishes, to prep my skin. The review of this Erborian Pink Perfect Cream is out on my blog and I highly recommend you to check it out. I'll be using Clio Kill Cover Cushion. It's the Founwear Cushion XP. It has a demi matte finish with medium coverage. So the review of like this cushion is out on my blog, and if you have oily skin like me, I would highly recommend you to check this one out. A bit more about this cushion is that it has a medium coverage. It's pretty long lasting. It's really suitable if you have oily skin. It covers up the blemishes pretty well, but if you have like these freshly squeezed pimples, you still need to use a concealer to maximize the coverage. Using my all-time holy grail concealer is the Saem concealer. I believe they have more shades now, like 1.5, 1.25. Yeah, and and it's really like affordable as well. I think I've mentioned it like a lot of times, so yeah. I'll be using this Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Pack. This one is really good if you have oily skin. I think this needs no like introduction as well. And I'll be using this Bloom Kit brush, R25 powder brush, and just set my foundation. Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette Volume 3. So I'll be using probably these two shades to, I don't know, blur out all the other imperfections. Okay, while I let all the foundation and the powder to sink in and settle in, I have already primed my eyelids with Urban Decay Primer Potion Original. And I'll be using this Tarte Tartelette Flirt palette. It's a really beautiful warm tone kind of palette. It's great for travel, and I have also reviewed this, so let me just show you. These two shades are really pretty. Look at that. So pretty, right? I'm using this Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush and dip into this shade here as a base. 231 Luxe Petite Crease, and just gently dip into this shade called Hotline. Just gently into the outer crease here. L'Oreal brush is like a flat shader kind of brush, and just dip into this shade called Passion. Just put it all over my eyelids. I find myself enjoying using this brush a lot lately. It packs on the shimmery shades really nicely, and it fits onto like my small monolids really well. I've already curled my lashes, and I'll be using Heroine Long and Curl Mascara. Okay, while we wait for our mascara to dry, I'll be using this new L'Oreal Brow Xpert eyebrow pencil. So it has a spoolie at one end and a twist up. It's apparently super easy and quick and suitable for beginners like myself. To go for something more brown, natural and peachy today, so I'll be using this Clio Sharp So Simple Waterproof Pencil Liner in brown. This pencil liner is really good, easy to use, really thin as well, super easy to use. I've been wanting to get the one in black, but I haven't got the time to go down and get it. So yeah. Moving on, we'll be using this Urban Decay Flash Palette in Strip. I'll be using this bronzer shade. I really like it. At first I thought that like, you know, it would be too dark for me, but I feel that it gives the perfect warmth. I'm really excited to use this Benefit Galifornia blush. It's been around for really long, and now I think there's a new shade called Gold Rush. Yep, and I haven't checked it out yet, so do let me know if like what you think about it, if you liked it. So yeah, it's like a peachy curl. Back to this Tarte palette, and I think I'll just be using this brown shade in Snuggle to just do my outer V. To complete this look, I'll be using this lip tint. It's really cute lip tint. Can you see? From the Saem. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but this is the Mousse Candy Tint in Apricot shade. And just let me show you. It has like a, it reminds me of like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream kind of formula. And we are done with this makeup look. I really like how it turned out. It looks really natural and suitable for school, going to the mall, the shopping mall nearby and everything like that, because of the brown eyeliner and brown mascara and this cute apricot shade for a pop of color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!